Ready?
Yeah. What is going on, James? Is it still going off?
Yeah, I thought I turned it off, but it's still going off.
Oh, that's lovely. Oh.
So I had to fill in myself with confetti.
Oh God, how did you get it?
Oh my God, me and Frankie were sat on the bed like filling them up.
Oh.
Let's see if we can bounce one on his nose. See?
No.
Come here. Yeah, little monkey. Oh! No!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo!
Did it all herself. Beautiful, isn't it?
It's
going to be very hard to get out. You know, the first fight is the hardest.
Oh, that looks good.
Is that good or was that good?
Where's it gone? Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Are you giving me love? Don't lick me.
The battery's going, but...
Will you open the window?
Frankie, I can't even see you.
Oh, your windows are bloody locked.
Such a knob.
Right, we're just going to have to vent it through the house.
The window's actually locked.
Yeah.
How am I gonna?
Let me do it.
Right, I thought I walked in the wrong room and I thought Dad was in the shower and it was all the steam from the shower.
Coming through. Yeah, it's just going to, depending on what the wind, it's just going to
What does it look like from outside? Does it look like...
put the house on fire.
Does it? James, you can't even see. This is awful.
I know, it's good, isn't it?
It's so heavy, I couldn't even lift it.
Skeletrix!
Would have had an elite at a grand. You calling me old, Frankie?
Does anyone else want cauliflower?
There's loads of cauliflower left.
Sets in the west.
Oh yeah. Never eat shredded wheat. Or never eat slippery worms.
Naughty elephant, squirt water. You okay?
Yeah.
What's it doing?
Being so. Should start working in a minute.